Minister wa Urimi na Ndethia Franklin MITHIKA LINTURI ntuku ya narua ni achumiritie mbere ya kamiti ya Urimi na WONJORITHIA haria oritie abunge gutigira ringi kura kuma isigo biao iba kumenya gitumi kia urimi bwa imera iri njira ya gutanganira na mparanthi gurune. Nkuruki noritie nchuku cha NCPB gutigira ni kuandika antu nkuruki kwithuranira guchwa na FERTILIZER igekwa kumbithia kuretwa kwikiri murimi. LINTURI na atokete ugani bagutanganira na Rwang'I rwarera kire wandi bwa mite ni kenda kumbithia rera rirega riria rithairwa rikibujagira urimi. Antoni Kathenya katutaririe.
Akiaria ari mbere ya kamiti ya wonjorithia kiri mwingi muno kiri witithia bwa iwanda amwe na urimi waziri wa urimi MITHIKA LINTURI ariuga na rutite watho kirenkia NCPB kienda gutigira ni gucariritwira bangi bajeru amwe na makombe majeru kienda gukinya mbolea akwina murimi ino ekijaga nyuma ya bunge kwendekithia kile LINTURI ati ministry ino yambile kunenkanira mbolea kirishigo bunge nkiruki yayo gwitokera kili thirikari ja county.
And we need to have an elaborate program where NCPB can even be opening what I don't know what to call the mobile fertilizer centers, because I know the permanent NCPB centers said to be at county level. So at constituency level, how can we, even if it's temporary, during the planting season, fertilizer is brought, our farmers, we can mobilize them within a week and collect what they need to do.
Today I've directed National Cereals and Produce Board to hire temporary staff. I'm going to call them governors so that they are also able to lease temporary stores in the, within the villages or the nearest small markets so that we are able to work together for them to avail fertilizer closer to the farmers. And then NCPB will hire temporary staff so that the farmers can be able to redeem their vouchers from the nearest points of the nearest places close to their farms so that we are able to really discourage that long distance of farmers going to look for fertilizer.
Kulinga na waziri yojo urimi ministry no yae ni manite bei ya mbolea mpaka 2,000 jia 500 na wira ni bwane gutigira arimi bonde ni ba gukinyirwa ni mbolea gwakue batiko dikuraja komisaria.
That this administration has brought down the fertilizer cost, the price of fertilizer from 7,000 to at least 500. This season now we are selling fertilizer at 2,500. And the idea is to encourage farmers to get the necessary inputs to support production against consumption. But the overall idea as we move forward is that I want to integrate or to bring fertilizer more closer to the people by delivering it through agrovets.
Mwenogu okagitaka waziri LINTURI ni auritia bunge kualanilia na arimi kire ishigo bunge jiao amwena koba mataro kienda gutetheria kire kudidia thina ya wagibwa ilio.
It is true, the cost of life or cost of living and the cost of food is quite high, Mr. Chairman, and I want, because people listen to their elected representatives. You won't be surprised, you have more power and authority over the people than the pastors. And if you are ought to be persuaded to run around your constituencies in support of our idea of getting people back to their farms, to utilize the small pieces of land that they may have to grow their own food, not even for sale, for their own consumption, Chairman. The problem that we are facing as our country is something we will be able to deal with, and we have a responsibility to feed ourselves as a nation.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Beta Antoni, Rangi wa Kathenya.